and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix if your keyboard is typing the wrong characters. So first, what we are going to do is to disable the numlock in your keyboard. So the numlock key is on the upper left corner key in your number pad, and you'll just need to press on it in order to disable it. So the next way, we'll need to go to our settings here on just click on your start, and then go to settings here in the just click on the gear icon, and then after that, select on time and language. And on the left part and on the left panel part of your screen, just select on the language. And in here in the Windows display language, you'll need to check if your preferred language is on set, because you might have installed multiple language, hence why there's something wrong with your keyboard. So the next solution that we are going to do, we'll need to click on this in keyboard on the upper part of your screen, and then in here you'll need to select on your preferred language. So in performing this simple step, you might be able to fix the problem that you have in your keyboard. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.